Very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome you all in today's live session. My name is Poonam Mehta. I'm Director Training at Right Directions. Students, in my previous session, I have already discussed about the growing interest of students in the USA and the reasons why USA should be considered as preferred destination for the higher studies. See, Right Directions have always ensured to update you all about the latest and authentic information so that no one lose the opportunity of studying abroad and because of lack of proper knowledge, and especially during this COVID time. So as everyone knows, the USA is regarded as a land of opportunities, and everyone knows about this, and students will surely have bright future prospects after studying in USA. So let's move on and talk about the Community College of Spokane, which is the finest and the largest community college in the Washington state in USA. See, ये जो Community College of Spokane, this was founded in 1953, and I must say that it has a lot of credibility in its name. So I would like to tell you that it is more than 57 years old community college. So campus जो इसका located है, that is in Spokane City in Washington State in the USA, and जो ये college है, that is a government funded college. This is run by the state itself, and this college is inviting applications for international students for the upcoming January 2021 intake, and they are providing good scholarships, so we will be talking about the scholarship also, which this college is providing for the upcoming 2021 intake. And इसमें जो programs offered हैं, that is 120 plus areas of studies. And even जो ये college है, it is offering hybrid class module. I mean to say this college is providing online classes as well as face-to-face classes also. So they provide associate degrees. ये जो college है associate degree provide करता है, and even जो transfer ready programs हैं to open your path to the 4-year college or university. So ये जो इसमें जो programs available हैं, that is as per the industry standard, so that students prepare कर सकते हैं for the entry level position in their discipline itself. And even ये college small class sizes में students को पढ़ाता है, so that students they get the personalized attention, and जो student और faculty की जो ratio होती है, that is 21:1. All right. And talking about the trainers, I mean to say teachers who teach students, they are highly qualified and experienced in their academic areas of expertise. Even flexible schedules हैं for the classes. Classes can be day and night, तो flexible है students के लिए. Even students जो online classes भी लेना चाहते हैं, they can also go for the online classes if possible, like for international students to pursue college. तो इससे काफी convenient हो जाता है, students को लगता है कि they want to have online, तो they can go for that also. Otherwise day and night classes भी हैं. It would be flexible classes for the students as per their students comfort level, as well as it would be convenient for the students also. So जो excellent student services हैं, जो support services है, basically they are very dedicated to provide excellent support services to the international students को कोई भी assistance चाहिए. And talking about the accommodation also, yes, this college is providing accommodation assistance also to the students in case अगर उनको accommodation चाहिए, तो this college will offer accommodation choice. And if they don't want accommodation, then student can also easily find an apartment in that city, in Spokane City, in the USA itself, within the budget and the features they are looking for the apartment. And even talking about the amenities, according to the requirement, the amenities, the features they want, they can just find the apartment very easily. See, जो college है, इसमें credits है, इसमें degree transfers है, easily है, तो जैसे कि students को आगे 4 years की college आगे further करना for students, they want to go for higher education, that would be considered. So students who can complete their associate degree, as I said कि जो ये Community College of Spokane है, they are providing associate degrees. See, जैसे ही आप associate degree कर लेते हो, you are eligible for 1 year work authorization in the United States itself. So this is the excellent opportunity for students to continue to develop their English skills basically. So जो cost है that is very lower than the 4-year public or private institutions in Washington State, and काफी convenient और affordable fee structure है that is around $9,800 per year. Yes, fee structure बहुत ही nominal है, and even जो अगर मैं living expense की बात करूँ that is also very affordable. Student का जो living expense आता है in this area in Spokane City, Washington, USA, that comes around $6,000 to $8,000 annually. That is per year. Okay, and even this college is also providing scholarships. Also, जैसे student apply करता है, so on the basis of their education, their IELTS requirement, उनका कितना score है, accordingly they get the scholarship also. So जो scholarship amount है that is $500 to $2,000. Alright, so that is a good scholarship discount जो students को अभी मिल रहा है for the January intake. And let's talk about the requirement की क्या requirement है. First of all, I'll talk about the academic requirement. See, academic requirement means आपकी grade 10 या 12th में minimum 55% marks required हैं. And talking about the English proficiency requirement, उसमें जो IELTS की requirement है that would be 5.5 overall. Yes, 55% marks in grade 12 and IELTS की requirement जो है that would be overall 5.5. In case अगर आपको लग रहा है कि you have a gap of 1 year or 2 year after grade 12, that also can be considered, as this community college of Spokane is considering the gap, but make sure कि वो जो gap है वो cover up हो जाए. अगर आपका maximum जो considered है gap acceptable है that is between 3 to 4 years. Alright, so gap should not be more than 4 years, otherwise you cannot apply in this community college. So after the academic requirements and English requirements, so let me tell you the concept of studying in community college. See, ये जो community college है in Spokane, this is slightly different from other universities and colleges in the USA. As जो community college, I'm talking about the community college क्योंकि ये government funded college है. This is run by the state itself, and they are much affordable and convenient also. आपका जो fee structure it's nominal also. Student can afford to study in community colleges, and जो student है they can apply for the associate degree, and once their skills are ready, they get ready, they are rewarded with the associate degree, and further they can apply, they can pursue the bachelor degree program for with any of the associated जो भी associations हैं like institute or colleges or universities के साथ associated है. उसके बाद आप further अपनी degree भी pursue कर सकते हो once you are done with your associate degrees and all. Okay, so as I said कि ये जो community college है this is located in Spokane. So Spokane जो है that is a city in Washington State in the USA. So जो Spokane city है that is in the northwest of America. So जो Spokane city है that is it shares borders with Canada. So अगर students जैसे USA में पढ़ रहे हैं तो Canada is very close to that area. तो during vacations they can visit Canada also during vacation time. And just Spokane city, it's I must say this is a very beautiful and clean city. It has a very clean environment with a wonderful 4-season climate. Alright, that is a 4-season climate basically, and this city is pollution free and very pleasant, and it has been ranked as one of the pleasant cities in America. See, अगर मैं Spokane की बात करूँ, Spokane city, it has been ranked as the highly developed city as per the USA Today with lots of beautiful landscapes. So as an ideal setting with a great city life. Okay, so just Spokane hai, it has a lot of Indian restaurants, grocery shops hai, which are extremely accessible hai and even convenient bhi hai, approachable hai basically. So जो Washington है, जो Washington State है, that is a home to companies such as Amazon, Starbucks, Microsoft, Boeing, Fortune, and many more companies. So ये जो Washington है, Washington State of USA, that has been ranked as the fourth fastest growing state with a lot of work opportunities, especially in IT sector, business sector and hospitality sector. And there are good number of work opportunities also for the students. So now let me tell you about the few courses. I cannot tell each and every course right now, but I'll cover few courses जो Community College of Spokane offer कर रहा है to the international students. So let me tell you about the associate degrees. There are a lot of associate degrees. As I said कि Washington काफी famous है in terms of IT, hospitality, even for the business. So उससे related courses this Community College of Spokane is offering to the international students. Associate degree students कर सकते हैं like in accounting assistant, even जो associate in applied science, and they can apply in agriculture business, automotive technology, aviation maintenance, even business related like business का associate in applied science कर सकते हैं, business management, mechanical engineering technology, criminal justice. There are a lot of courses in culinary arts that is related to hospitality, customer service representative, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, इवन सिक्योरिटी के डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के भी बहुत अच्छे कोर्सेज हैं. इवन अगर साइंस का देखा जाए तो अर्ली चाइल्डहुड का भी कोर्स है, अर्ली चाइल्डहुड कोर्स इन एजुकेशन, इवन हेल्थ इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट, आईटी से रिलेटेड कोर्सेज लाइक इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम्स, नेटवर्क डिजाइन, ऑटोमेटिक्स, सॉफ्टवेयर मैनेजमेंट, इवन एसोसिएट इन अप्लाइड साइंस, इन फाइन आर्ट्स भी अवेलेबल है. देयर लॉट्स ऑफ कोर्सेज जो एसोसिएट डिग्रीज है. And इसमें certificate courses भी available हैं for the students if they are interested. Certificates like in accountancy, in agriculture business, in banking, and even in business software application. ये सारे business related programs हैं. Entrepreneurship में आप certification ले सकते हो. You can also go for the certification in hospitality industry. आपका certification hospitality, tourism and event management का भी course कर सकते हो. Even certificate in management जो आपकी commerce से related courses आ गए, आपके management के project management, business management, office management, retail management. There are lots of courses for the commerce field also, social media marketing, even computer courses like certificates of you can go for the computer science, mobile developer, web developer, even dental assisting and digital marketing specialist. See, there are lots of certificate courses. Even you can also go for the associate degrees. As I said कि इसमें requirement ज़्यादा tough नहीं है. Overall 5.5 with grade 10th or 12 में 55% marks. 3 to 4 years का gap acceptable है, and even scholarship भी आपको मिल रही है. So if you apply with right direction for this college, for USA Community College of Spokane, आपका जो consultancy charges है right direction would not be charging, and you will also get the scholarship discount that would be between $500 to $2,000. And even जिसमें fee structure है, as I said, $9,800 annually. It's very affordable. And even जो living expense भी, as I told you कि आपका $6,000 to $8,000 का approximately living expense होगा. So it would be very affordable fee structure. Living expense भी nominal होगा, consultancy भी right directions charge नहीं करेगा right now. So students, you should not waste your time and you should focus on your filing and admission process as soon as possible so that आपका gap ना आए, study gap. I can understand कि अभी जो कोविड टाइम चल रहा है, स्टूडेंट्स का भी माइंडसेट नहीं है. दे आर जस्ट कीपिंग देमसेल्फ ऑन होल्ड कि आईएलटीएस क्लासेस हो रही हैं या नहीं हो रही हैं. बट डेफिनेटली राइट डायरेक्शन में यू कैन वी हैव लॉन्च ई-लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म. सो you can go for IELTS PT Duolingo classes. You can call at our technical support number also, that is 9254833333. आप हमारे alternate number पे भी call कर सकते हो, that is 7056563636. We have our email ID also, that is info@rightdirections.co.in. You can log on to our website, that is www.rightdirectionsoverseas.com. आप हमारे राइट डायरेक्शन के ऑफिस में भी विजिट कर सकते हो, क्योंकि राइट डायरेक्शन ऑफिस ओपन है फॉर दी फाइलिंग. तो आप यू कैन कम फॉर दी काउंसलिंग. बेसिकली आप हमारे नियरेस्ट जो हमारी राइट डायरेक्शन की ब्रांच है, काउंसलिंग के लिए आ सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट टेक दी असिस्टेंस एंड यू कैन गेट रजिस्टर्ड और फॉर योर ऑनलाइन IELTS PT and Duolingo classes also. And so you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Quora and Pinterest. So thank you all for watching this session related to USA. So if you guys are interested, for further studies. I am like, it's very sure you will have bright future prospects in USA. You can get your enrollments done for the January intake and without any consultancy charges. And so till then, see you all in my next live session. Till then, be positive and keep yourself healthy. Thank you so much.